The Large Vision Model Codex, Unlocking the Secrets of Machine Sight, by Leo Charles is an illuminating exploration of machine sight, delving into its foundational principles, the advancements of large vision models, and the profound implications of this evolving technology. Through a blend of theoretical explanations, real-world applications, and insightful discussions, readers gain deep insights into fundamental concepts like image representation and feature extraction, as well as revolutionary architectures such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and vision transformers, VITs. The book also addresses ethical considerations surrounding machine sight and its transformative impact on industries like healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, and entertainment. Whether you're an AI practitioner, a computer scientist, or simply curious about the forefront of machine intelligence, this book equips you with knowledge to navigate the landscape of machine sight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.